Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can make an object to be translucent in Canva. Just to be clear, translucent is different than transparent, and I'm going to explain that using this meme format. I think this is very popular, and I believe that you have seen this meme before. So this is the first picture here is considered to be opaque, meaning that the object is fully seen. And the second picture, which is the one below the first picture, is translucent. So basically you can see what's behind the object, but you can also still see the object. You can still see the person, but you can tell that it's kinda transparent, but it's not fully transparent. What's fully transparent is the third picture right here. So the object is pretty much almost, or in this case, invisible, and you can see clearly what's behind the object. So that's transparent. And the one that we want to achieve today is translucent, which is this very picture. So this thing is very easy to apply, and you can apply this effect to an element like photo or video or maybe even shapes. And I think it's very useful in certain use cases. So let's move on to the second page, and I'm going to make this phone mockup to be translucent. What I need to do now is I can click on the object, and you can also click on a group. You can make the whole content of the group to be translucent as well. In this case, this is actually a group. It contains the background of the phone and also the phone frame itself. And after that, you will see that on the top section there is a feature, or there is a menu called transparency. You want to click on that, and you want to reduce the number from 100 to whatever number you think is the best for this picture. Do not set it to 0, because 0 means it's fully transparent. You want to set it to maybe 5 to 30%, or depending on what is the translucent effect or level that you want to achieve. So I'm going to set it to maybe around 30%. And as you can see here, I can see the phone, I can see the frame of the phone as well, but I can also see what's behind the phone itself. So if you move it around, you see the background is visible. So that's how you can get the translucent effect in Canva.